Hello, my name is Frank, and today I'm going to tell you all about financial planning. So first, let me tell you what a financial plan is. This should make our little chat a bit easier. A financial plan is basically a budget for grown-ups. The plan decides how much money you will have to spend until you get really old. How do you make a financial plan? For this, you need to meet my good friend Joe. Joe is what we call a financial planner. A lot of people can make financial planning sound very complicated and confusing, but it doesn't need to be that way. First, Joe will ask you, what is your number? This is the number you need to keep living the life you've got and to start living the life you want. To get to that number, Joe looks at how much money you have in your piggy bank, and then he can tell you how much you have to spend on serious things like your house, or fun things like holidays. Joe helps you to save the right amount of money to send your kids to school and then to college. Joe also makes sure that some money goes into a special piggy bank in case there is an accident or something unexpected happens. This is called rainy day money, but it is important. Joe is a good financial planner. He only advises a few people, but he keeps all of the things he knows locked in a safe place. Joe is also good at answering questions, and he is great at explaining things. This helps when he is advising his clients. My friend Joe is a financial planning expert, and I think you should meet him. You could give him a call on 01-867-5221 and tell him you were talking to Frank.